Hi, I'm Adrian. If you have a big update planned for your website and you want to work on it ahead of time, the release feature will make your life so much easier. I'll show you how to use this feature to schedule a specific date and time when you want your content to go live, allowing you to just prepare ahead of time and relax. This is really useful if you have things like a time-sensitive promotion or some kind of specific event you want to create content for. So my event is that I have a new brand of coffee I'm selling on our website. So I see here I've already created this new product page. It's still in a draft though, but I really want to showcase this on my home page. So I'm going to add a call to action right there so that people can just click right through to that new coffee. So I'll select the coffee right here. I'm going to put the name of the new coffee, little details here, and then I'll add a label so that they can click right through that call to action. And then I can just link that new product page I worked on before. Save that. And now I want to see how all this will look like once it goes live. So I'm actually going to put this in a release, not publish it right now. I'm going to name it a new release, so that new product. And I'm seeing here I'm getting a notification saying that I have a draft, so I'm going to add all of that in that release. That's the new product page. So if I click here, then I see that I've got my new document, new product page, and my home page. I can then preview this. So now I can check out, okay, my call to action is here, perfect. If I click there, it should take me to my new product. Yep, all right. I'm on the new product page, so looking good so far. So I'm happy with that. Now I want to be able to schedule that. And I want this to go live, let's say Monday. And I'll schedule it right there. And that's it. So now I know exactly that all this content will go live at the exact date and time that I want it to. So that's what's great about this feature. You can schedule as many pieces of content to go live either simultaneously or at different times.